Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sharafuddin bin Manor, and today I'm going to present to you topic of indicator analysis in subject FIN555, which is Introduction to Technical Analysis. The two companies that I choose as my watch list, which is first one is Hafsing Industries and the second one is Tambun Indah Land Berhad. The two type of indicator analysis that I use is the first one is Bollinger Band and the second one is stochastic. For Bollinger Band, the person who creates John Bollinger as a tool to produce oversold or overbought level. The second is Bollinger Band are made to three lines. The first one is upper line, lower line and middle line, which is moving average in the stock. And as for information, when the price touch upper line, it shows overbought, and when the price touch lower line, it shows oversold. For stochastic is indicator that to measure a relationship between an issue closing price and its price range, and the traders can use this indicator as a buy and sell signal in the future to initiate or to exit the position and base of this momentum in stochastic. And the last one is when this stock has shifted into overbought or oversell level, stochastic are employed to show it to investor. Now we go to the introduction of Hafsing Industry, or we call it a background of Hafsing Industry. Hafsing Industry was established on 4 October 1991 and started to enlist on Bursa Malaysia Security Berhad Main Board on 2 November 2000. Hafsing, and in Chinese term, which means success with teamwork, was first found as Hafsing Co. in 1958, and today Hafsing is one of the leading cracker biscuit in Malaysia. Why I choose Hafsing Industries as my watch list? It is because the value of EPS for this company is good, which is 2.92%, and the stock price or the share price is currently trading at 0.71, which is it has potential to increase until RM1 or more for 1 unit. The volume for this share is currently has reached at 232,300 people, and the stock is currently at a downtrend, so it is worth to buy because in the future it can be uptrend and the price will go up. This is some of Hafsing Industries news that I have researched in the DH market. It stated that MIDF Research has initiated a coverage of Hafsing Industry and stated that at 0.73 ringgit had a buy recommendation, and the target price will go higher, which is 0.79 ringgit, and the value will derive based on the dividend discount model, and with the weighted average cost of capital of 8.9% and the growth rate of 2%, which is good. As you can see, this indicator analysis that I use for Hafsing Industries, which is Bollinger Band, and on 7 November 2022, the price has reached out the lower band, so it shows to you the share has been oversold and the price is very cheaper, so signal to investor to buy their share. At the same time, the trend is downtrend, so at 18 October 2022, the price suddenly got up, just break out the trend line, and on 25th October 2022, which is the price has reached out the upper band, and it shows to you the share has been overbought and the price is very expensive, and it says that the signal to investor to sell their shares. The second indicator analysis that I use is stochastic. For stochastic, it shows that on 13 October 2022, the line has crossed, and it shows to you the share has been oversold, and it signal to investor to buy the share. And on 29 October 2022, the line also crossed over the upper line, so it shows to you that share has been overbought, and it's a signal to investor to sell the share. This is some recommendation for investor for future growth. As you can see, in the future for housing industry, where revenue is forecast to grow at 4.2 per annum average during the next 3 years, which is a benefit for investor compared to a 2.6% per annum as a decline forecast for the food industry in Malaysia. The second one is they are forecast a dividend of 2.0 until 4.0 cent for financial year 2022 until 2024 forecast, with a prudent dividend distribution of 73.73% on average, and a higher target price in the future. Next, we go to the second company, which is Tambun Indah Land Berhad. As we can see, for the background of Tambun Indah Land Berhad, which is this group has established since 1993 and focus on creating and advertising its own real estate development projects and others projects. The group has been established and on a reputation for its commitment, just not producing house, but also producing development of recognizable quality and quantity with useful features that has raised each development long-term value over time. The last one is at Tambun Indah Land Berhad. They strive to be an organization that delivers excellent responsibility through innovation and dedication. It shows how hard work they can be as a successful company. Now, why I choose this company as my watchlist? Because the value of PE ratio for this company is quite lower, which is 4.33%, which is good and for investor. Second one, the value of EPS and potential gain is very higher, which is the EPS is 17.65% and the potential gain is 19.36%, which is higher. And the stock price is currently at 0.76 ringgit and has a potential to increase and even higher than 1 ringgit for 1 unit. And the volume for this share currently has reached at 540,000 shares. Now, as for news that have been researched at the Age Market, it stated that the RHB Retail Research says that it is expected to rebound higher successfully breach the 72.5 cent immediate resistance on strong trading volume, form of high bullish pattern. And on Tuesday, with November 29, the research house said since the stock has sustained above the breakout level despite the intraday pullback. As for indicator analysis for Tambun Indah Land Berhad is same as housing industry, which is Bollinger Band. And on 13 September 2022, the price has reached out the lower band and the share has been oversold and the price is cheaper, so it is signal to investor to buy the share. And the trend is a downtrend, and at some point the price suddenly go up and break out the trend line. And on 25th November 2022, the share has been overbought and the price is very expensive, so it signal to investor to sell the share as the news on 29 November 2022. The price also has reached out the upper line, which is breakout level, but the company has made to sustain that problem. For the second indicator analysis, as usual, same, which is stochastic for Tambun Indah Lem Berhad. On 7 October 2022, the line as usual has crossed under the lower line, so it shows to you the share has been oversold and is signal to investor to buy the share. And for the line cross on upper line has occurred on 1st December 2022, and it shows to you the share has been overbought and it is signal to investor to sell the share. This is some recommendation for investor in the future to invest at Tambun Indah Lem Berhad. For target price for Tambun Indah Lem Berhad is 1 year targeted, which is 0.86 ringgit, higher than the previous target price. First, next, Tambun Indah also planned for a new project, which is Pearl Impiana, and this is very benefit to investor for invest at this company in the future. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and listening my presentation.